Birds, aves, are a group of endothermic vertebrates, characterized by feathers, toothless beak jaws, the laying of hard-shelled eggs, a high metabolic rate, a four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton. Birds live worldwide and range in size from the 5 centimeters, 2 in, B hummingbird to the 2.75 meters, 9 feet, ostrich. They rank as the class of tetrapods with the most living species, at approximately 10,000, with more than half of these being passerines, sometimes known as perching birds. Birds are the closest living relatives of crocodilians. They are descendants of extinct dinosaurs with feathers, making them the only surviving dinosaurs according to cladistics. The fossil record indicates that birds evolved from feathered ancestors within the theropod group, which are traditionally placed within the Saurischian dinosaurs. DNA-based evidence finds that birds diversified dramatically around the time of the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event 66 million years ago, which killed off the pterosaurs in all the non-avian dinosaur lineages. Birds, especially those in the southern continents, survived this event and then migrated to other parts of the world while diversifying during periods of global cooling. Primitive bird-like dinosaurs that lie outside class Aves proper, in the broader group Avialae, have been found dating back to the mid-Jurassic period, around 170 million